2017 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. It's only got 265,000 miles on it, guys. It's insane. That's a good running truck. Anyways, converter. And then as you guys can see, usually they dual into a single muffler, but we cut the muffler off and true dualed it all the way back. As you guys can see, over and out on this side and on this side. And then he wanted them tucked and dumped. So we tucked them and dumped them into 6-inch tips. Right there, another 6-inch tip. On this side, that's what it looks like from the back. Clean, nice, beautiful. Compared to the original muffler tailpipe. And on these Titans, they come in dual in, single out with a baby resonator right there. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. So we got a 2025 Nissan Titan. As you guys can see, nice green, olive green color. All right, let me show you guys what we done. So they kept the converters the same. They changed the body style, but the converter and undercarriage looks exactly the same as the older ones, as you can see. So all the piping stayed the same. There's the cats, all that. And then they come true dual from the factory. As you guys can see there, into a single muffler. So it's a dual in muffler, but we replace it with a Flowmaster Super 44, dual in, single out. I'm gonna get you guys the part number. So if you ever want to do it, you just order this muffler and put it in. And it makes the job a lot easier. The muffler shop would have to add 2 sleeves in, and that's about it. And then there's the tailpipe out the back. But there's the part number on the Flowmaster. It's 8425453. There'll be a link in the description and our website at exhaustaddicts.com. So you can purchase it there and support us, or you can get it off Amazon or whatever, or Flowmaster or Holly. And then there's the tailpipe out the back. Everything else stayed the same. There's the Flowmaster right there. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. 2018 Nissan Titan Pro 4X 5.6 liter, I think, V8. They're still doing the Titans in V8s. I don't know if the new ones are going to be V6 or not. I hope not. I hope they keep the V8s in them. Anyways, look at that bright yellow. I like it. It's a two-tone. It's different. I haven't seen one of these. It's cool. What do you think of the color?
Sunshine yellow.
Sunshine yellow. Reminds you of Florida, don't it? Anyways, 4 catalytic converters. 2 there, up here, so you can see the second. Usually wires into a single at the muffler, but we took that off and installed the Borla ProXS because, you know, why not? He didn't want it too loud. He wanted just a nice deep tone. He came all the way from Alabama and said, well, I got to come to Exhaust Addicts to get hooked up. And we said, we got you. Here's the part number on the Borla, 40349. Came out really nice. Look at that. Clean. And you have to do an elbow on it, as you guys can see, to make it fit. The nice thing about Borlas, they're bi-directional, so you can do it either way. You can flip them backward, forward, because they're straight through design inside with a little curve. They're really good for drone. If you guys don't like drone, that's the one you want to go with, the Borla ProXS. Then 3-inch tailpipe, then it's got a baby resonator there that'll help a little bit more. And then we finished it off nicely with a 4-inch Natami black tip, double wall. As you guys can see, just clean, nice, nothing crazy. There it is, right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, like, comment, and subscribe. And here's the muffler that was on it that I was telling you about. It's dual in, single out, right there. We cut it off and replaced it to give him some more tone. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Oh, that sucker's loud already. Imagine on a cold start. Crazy. That's factory cats too, guys. You don't have to cut the cats off to make them loud. Again. It's crazy. Again. Here's sound decibels. Right at 117. Again. So loud. It looks good too. Go ahead and back it out. And if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our shop, right down the street from Skyline Hospital and right before Due West Avenue. That's clean, bro. You see how loud it is?
Yeah.
It's insane loud. It scared you? That's what we like to hear. Give it gas again. Let's see his reaction. Yes. That's it.
Yep, that's it.
clean too. I like that look. Let me know, do you guys like the tucked and dump like that? Or the 45 angle more? That's insane. Let me let you guys hear on the inside. I was telling you guys that's the muffler. You see how it's dual in? That's the inlets. And one single outlet right there. There it is. So that's the muffler that was on it. All right, go ahead. Flowmaster Super 44. That sounds good. That's clean. There's sound decibels on it. Go ahead. Right at 103. Again. All right. So if you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's our beautiful shop. That's our phone number. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital, right before Due West Avenue, off of Dickerson Pike in Nashville, Nash Vegas. They brought with the gold tires. Nissan stepping up. That sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. So it's called Solar Flare Yellow. Solar Flare Yellow, if anybody was wondering. Oh yeah. You really get on it, you hear it. But when it's like idle, but it's quiet. What do you guys think of the sound? I like it. It's clean. Let it idle. Very quiet at idle too. Look. Can barely hear it. Give it gas now. That's perfect. 91, 95 when you really get on it. It's about 98, 99 once you get on it. Just what the doctor ordered. We appreciate you bringing it down to us, man.
Well, I appreciate your videos. I've been watching.
I appreciate it. That's what we did them for, to give people an idea, you know? Yeah. It helps a lot of people out to decide what they want. That sounds really good. If you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. This is our beautiful shop. We're right down the street from Skyline Hospital at 3560 Dickerson Road. Oh, it sounds phenomenal. I like it. Perfect for a working man who wants just a little bit of sound, nothing crazy. Let you guys hear on the inside. True dual straight pipe on a Titan with factory cats into 6-inch tips, tucked and dumped. So you guys can see the tip right there. It's so loud! Then we got a Tahoe in there and another F-150 in there. We love making them loud. All that exhaust addicts, boys and girls. Have a great day, guys. Nissan Titan 5.6 liter with sun flare yellow color. That's what they call it. Borla ProXS. Perfect. What do you guys think? It's perfect for a nice subtle deep tone.